Three Definitions of Holism by Robert Johansen. A presentation of the Holistic Systems Theory Special Integration Group to the Annual Conference of the International Society for the System Sciences 2024. Holism has a variety of definitions. To clarify the systems theory discussion, we seek to state them. Basic holism. There are three basic definitions of holism: universe holism, materialist holism, and logical holism. Universe holism argues that since everything is related to everything else, the only true whole is the universe of all and everything. Materialist holism, or both-and holism, defines a whole as a collection of things. It consists of a list of things and is called holistic if it includes all the items on the list. The original concept was of a set of material objects, but it has been expanded to refer to anything that can be put on a list. The whole is a set and is equal to the sum of the parts. Logical holism, or either-or holism, defines a whole as an idea. Because it is an idea, it has a definition, a boundary that distinguishes between the whole and its context. It is the logical element either-or, a difference that makes a difference. Because it has a boundary, it has an inside and an outside. The parts of the whole are inside the whole and are defined by their relationship to the whole, which is the context for the parts. The whole can be a part of a larger whole. This dual aspect of logical wholes is called a holon, and the hierarchical structure of these wholes can be called a holarchy. Extended holism. Universe holism has no extended version because it's already all and everything. Materialist holism can be extended by simply listing the elements that are considered a part of the whole. Thus, the meaning of holistic medicine depends entirely on which items are on the list. It is sufficient for a materialist holism to have simply two items. Some people, however, consider this a false dualism and affirm that to be an actual whole, it has to have three elements. Logical holism can be extended by communication and control. The parts can communicate with the whole, and the whole can communicate with the parts. This applies to every level of the holarchy. The control system means that each whole and each part has a purpose that involves a change in the larger whole. The whole has to perceive what is going on in the environment and then, based on the purpose, decide on an alternative to affect the environment. Smuts's holism. This extended version of logical holism was the meaning of Smuts holism when he coined the term. He saw the development of larger wholes as the basic movement of evolution. He was looking at creating a League of Nations that would be a whole that would then be able to control the member states in order to prevent another world war.